To create another user on Pixel 9a, you will have to start by opening Settings, and then you will have to scroll down and navigate into System. Right now you will have to go into Users, and right now click here to allow user switch and select to add user. Now scroll down, click Next. Right here you can set name for the new user account, but also we can add a picture if you want. You can also use picture from your gallery. Click done. Now just wait for the creating new user, and here you can also turn on the phone calls and messages if you want. And also we can switch to the new user by clicking here and tap to set up now. And now all you have to do is just to wait a little bit. Here you can set up your phone and customize it up to your preferences. So what we have right now, there's actually the new setup process. So you can just set it up to your preferences. You have to just go through this first setup process, and after that you can just use your device. Then you have to swipe up to go into the home, and now you just have to wait. And as you can see here, we are. Now if you want to go back into this previous user, you have to open the quick settings, click here, and switch into this second owner account.